Hello everyone, my name is Chris from Jaka PC, and today I'm going to be showing you how to format a flash drive or any drive on a Windows 10 PC. This tutorial is fairly standard across the last few Windows platforms. It hasn't changed much, but I do want to specify that this is being done on Windows 10. I also want to go ahead and say that if you do not know, formatting your drive will delete all of the data. If you do not want to lose any data, make sure you keep it backed up. So let's go ahead and get into the tutorial. What you need to do is come down here and open up File Explorer, and of course if you do not know how to do that or you do not have it down here on the taskbar, all you need to do is come over here to the Windows tab and type in File Explorer, and that will open it as well. As you can see here, we have 4 drives coming up on this particular computer. There are 4 media devices attached to it. It's the local disk with Windows. There is a disk in the disk tray right now. There is a secondary hard drive attached to the computer, and there is a USB named reference right here. This is going to be the device that we are going to be formatting. It is a drive with several PowerPoints for a bunch of different classes for a student. This data, once again, is backed up, so we're not going to lose anything here. However, back up your data if you do not want to lose it when you format a hard drive. So let's go ahead and right-click it, come down here to Format, right above Eject, and then you're going to be greeted by this screen. There's several things on this screen. For the most part, you're going to want to ignore everything on here. It's not particularly important to someone who is not a computer person. But basically we have a capacity right here. This is basically telling you how much space is going to be on the drive. In this case, 14.9 gigabytes. Is going to be using the NTFS file system. These are basically different storage systems that are used on the device. Once again, if you are not particularly computer savvy, this is not important. Allocation unit size, once again, this is not something that is particularly important. You can come right here and click Restore Device Defaults. This will set everything back to the way the device is supposed to be. So if you have a flash drive, you're coming in here, changing around the file system and the unit allocation size, you can change that so it will automatically reset it back to factory standard. Come down here and name it. For this particular example, we're just going to name this tutorial. You can come right down here and click the Quick Format button. Basically what this is going to do is it's going to format it a lot quickly. It's not going to do several passes over it to make sure all of the data is gone. You can recover data from this. It is less likely you'll be able to recover data if you leave this unchecked. However, leaving it unchecked will take longer. In this particular case, I'm just going to do Quick Format for purposes of moving the video along. If we click Start, it's going to come up with a warning. It's going to say formatting will erase all data on this disk. To format the disk, click OK. To quit, click Cancel. So we're going to go ahead and click OK. As you can see here, this is going to get grayed out, and it's going to sit here for a few seconds or minutes, depending on the size of the drive. It's going to format it. You can see right there, Google Photos, that's unimportant. It's going to say Format Complete. And if we come in here, the disk is now completely empty. Be especially careful if you're working with a hard drive. If you do not know what you're doing, you can severely damage your computer. Anyways, thanks for watching this tutorial. You can check out our other videos available on our website.